Welcome back to Luxefluent. In this video, we're showing you how to successfully flip luxury cars like a pro. Whether you're a seasoned expert or just starting out, this guide will help you navigate the high-stakes world of luxury car flipping. Don't forget to subscribe and keep in mind, this content isn't financial or legal advice, so always do your own due diligence. Why flip luxury cars? Flipping luxury cars offers a unique opportunity to tap into a market where demand often outpaces supply, leading to higher profit margins. Brands like Ferrari, Porsche, and Lamborghini are renowned for their exclusivity and performance, making their models highly sought after. For instance, a well-maintained Porsche 911 Turbo S can appreciate in value, especially if it's a limited edition or has a unique history. The allure of luxury cars extends beyond their performance. They are symbols of status and success. This cultural significance means that affluent buyers are willing to pay a premium for vehicles that reflect their lifestyle and aspirations. A classic Mercedes-Benz 300 SL Gullwing, for example, has seen its value soar over the years, not just because of its engineering excellence, but also due to its iconic status among collectors. Engaging in luxury car flipping also means facing less competition compared to standard car flipping. The specialized knowledge required to assess, restore, and market these vehicles effectively narrows the pool of potential competitors. This expertise allows you to cater to a niche market where your understanding of the car's history, rarity, and condition can set you apart. However, it's essential to approach this venture with a deep understanding of the market and the specific models that are likely to appreciate in value. Staying informed about trends, attending auctions, and networking with other enthusiasts can provide valuable insights. Additionally, maintaining the vehicle's condition and ensuring it has a clear provenance are crucial factors that can significantly influence its resale value. Flipping luxury cars combines the thrill of working with high-end vehicles with the potential for substantial financial gain. By leveraging your knowledge and passion for these automobiles, you can navigate this niche market successfully and profitably. The key to finding the right cars. Finding the right luxury cars to flip is crucial for maximizing profits. Here are some effective avenues to consider. Dealership trade-ins. Luxury car dealerships often accept trade-ins for newer models. These vehicles are typically well-maintained and can be acquired at competitive prices. For example, a 2018 Mercedes-Benz S-Class traded in for the latest models may have a strong resale value. Private sellers. Platforms like classified ads, online forums, and social media groups can connect you with private sellers eager to part with their luxury vehicles. Motivated sellers, such as those relocating abroad or facing financial challenges, may offer attractive deals. Negotiating with sellers who need quick cash or are moving abroad can lead to favorable terms. Luxury auctions. High-end auctions, such as those conducted by Sotheby's and Meckham Auctions, often feature rare and valuable luxury cars. While platforms like eBay may offer bargains, high-end auctions provide credibility and access to exclusive models. For instance, a rare Jaguar XJ-R15 with only 27 road legal models existing globally is set to be auctioned for an estimated €1 million. Off-lease vehicles. Many luxury cars come off lease after 2 to 3 years, often in pristine condition with lower mileage. Lease vehicles like a Tesla Model S might have lower mileage and a clean service history, making them attractive for resale. Specialized platforms. Websites like DuPont Registry and James Edition specialize in luxury and exotic cars, offering a curated selection of high-end vehicles. These platforms attract serious buyers and sellers, providing a marketplace for exclusive models. Local luxury car dealerships. Establishing relationships with local luxury car dealerships can provide early access to trade-ins and off-lease vehicles. Regular visits and networking can help you stay informed about upcoming opportunities. Networking with enthusiast groups. Engaging with local car clubs and online communities can lead to private sales and insider information about potential deals. Attending car shows and events can also provide valuable contacts and insights into the market. Inspection and due diligence. When flipping luxury cars, conducting a thorough inspection and due diligence is essential to ensure a profitable investment. Here's how to approach this critical step. Hire a certified mechanic. Luxury vehicles often come with high repair costs. Engaging a certified mechanic can help identify potential issues that might not be apparent during a casual inspection. For instance, a BMW M5 with hidden engine problems can turn a promising flip into a financial setback. Check the VIN history. Utilize services like Carfax or AutoCheck to uncover the vehicle's history. These reports can reveal past accidents, ownership changes, and any outstanding recalls, providing a clearer picture of the car's background. Consider rarity and demand. Limited edition models, such as the Lamborghini Aventador SVJ, often command higher resale prices due to their exclusivity. In contrast, more common models like the BMW 3 Series may offer modest returns. Assessing the rarity and current demand for a specific model can significantly influence your potential profit. Evaluate maintenance records. Reviewing the car's service history can indicate how well it has been maintained. Regular maintenance suggests the vehicle has been cared for, reducing the likelihood of unexpected repairs. Inspect for authenticity. Ensure that all parts, especially those unique to luxury models, are original. Aftermarket modifications can affect the car's value and appeal to potential buyers. Assess market trends. Stay informed about current market trends for luxury cars. Understanding which models are in demand can guide your purchasing decisions and help you avoid vehicles that may not yield a profitable return. The art of pricing and marketing. Mastering the art of pricing and marketing is essential when flipping luxury cars. Here's how to approach these critical aspects. Set the right price. Accurate pricing is crucial for attracting buyers and ensuring profitability. Begin by researching similar models on reputable platforms like AutoTrader. Bring a trailer or car gurus to understand the market value. For example, a 2020 Range Rover Autobiography selling for $120,000 locally might fetch $140,000 in a high-demand city like Los Angeles. This price variation highlights the importance of considering regional demand and market trends. Professional presentation. First impressions matter, especially in the luxury car market. Investing in high-quality photos and videos can significantly enhance your vehicle's appeal. Showcase the car's unique features such as custom interiors, advanced sound systems, or aftermarket enhancements. A well-presented vehicle not only attracts more potential buyers, but also justifies a higher asking price. Targeted advertising. Reaching the right audience is key to a successful sale. Utilize luxury car forums, Facebook Marketplace, and Instagram to connect with affluent buyers. Incorporate relevant hashtags like #LuxuryCarsForSale or #DreamCar to increase visibility. Tailoring your marketing efforts to platforms frequented by your target demographic can lead to quicker and more profitable sales. Leverage exclusive platforms. Consider listing your vehicle on specialized luxury car marketplaces. Websites like DuPont Registry and James Edition cater specifically to high-end car enthusiasts, offering a curated audience and enhancing the credibility of your listing. These platforms attract serious buyers who appreciate the value of luxury vehicles. Highlight unique selling points. Emphasize features that set your car apart from others on the market. Whether it's a limited edition model, rare color combination, or unique performance enhancements, showcasing these aspects can justify a premium price and attract discerning buyers. Closing the deal. Successfully closing a luxury car sale requires careful attention to detail and professionalism. Here's how to navigate this final stage effectively. Vet buyers carefully. Ensuring that potential buyers are financially capable is crucial. Request proof of funds or pre-approval for financing to confirm their ability to complete the purchase. This step helps prevent time wasted with unqualified buyers and ensures a smoother transaction. Negotiate smartly. Enter negotiations with a clear understanding of your minimum acceptable price. While it's important to stand firm on your bottom line, be prepared to find a middle ground to facilitate the sale. Flexibility can lead to a successful deal without compromising your profit margin. Secure payment. Opt for secure payment methods such as bank transfers or reputable escrow services to protect both parties. Avoid accepting personal checks or cash as they can pose risks. Utilizing secure payment methods ensures that funds are verified and available before the vehicle changes hands. Professionalism is key. Luxury car buyers expect a premium experience. Treat them with the utmost professionalism throughout the process. This includes clear communication, prompt responses, and a courteous demeanor. So, are you ready to start flipping luxury cars for profit? What's the first model you'd target? Let us know in the comments. For more tips and tricks, click on the button in the upper right to watch our other videos. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to Luxefluent. Get fluent, stay fluent.